Hello everyone and welcome back to another Python video. In this video we're going to be making a simple Mad Libs game. And if you don't know what Mad Libs is, it basically is a word game created by Leonard Stern and Roger Price. It consists of one player prompting others for a list of words to substitute for blanks in a story before reading aloud. And basically it could be chill, it could be fun. So first we're going to start off with defining the function of Mad Libs. And then we want to print, of course, welcome, as usual, welcome. And then we want to have five variables. The first one is going to be noun. And the second one is going to be verb. And then we want to have an adjective, place, and a story. So within the noun, we're going to say input, and we're going to prompt the user to enter a noun, and same goes for the rest. Okay, so we have, like I said, 5 variables: noun, verb, adjective, place, and story. For the noun, we're going to be prompting the user to enter a noun. For the verb, we're going to be prompting the user to enter a verb. Same for adjective, enter an adjective. Place, enter a place. And for the story, it's going to say F, because we're going to be using keyword arguments or positional arguments. So it's going to say keyword arguments, yeah. Okay, print F, and then one day, F without the printf, my bad. One day, adjective, noun, decided to verb at the place. It was an unforgettable experience. So here you can replace adjective with an adjective, noun with a noun, verb with a verb, place with a place. So it could be anything. It could be one day a fat person decided to jump at the bouncy castle. It was an unforgettable experience. And then it's going to say print, and it's going to say here's your story. \n is for basically, like, after this print, it's going to skip to the next line, and then it's going to print the story. So that's basically it for the code. Let's call the function and see if it runs. So we're going to say madlibs, and then welcome, enter a noun. So let's do what I said. So enter a noun, person. Enter a verb, jumped. Adjective, fat. Place, let's say trampoline park. Okay, one day a fat person decided to jump. Oh, I made a mistake here. I added the ed. Let's just pretend that's not there. So one day a fat person decided to jump at the trampoline park. It was an unforgettable experience. And that's basically it for today's video. If you enjoyed or learned something new, please like and subscribe. And as always, the full code will be posted in the comments down below.